my test area. Then we'll begin by scanning the QR code. That was very fast. Okay, so I'll firstly zoom out, walk back, so that you can see the whole model. So up front here we have the main dashboard, starting on the left. Ferric tanks, readings coming in slowly. So it's just a couple of random readings that I set up in Firebase that we're getting here. And then the same here with determinant concentrations, it's the same thing. And then I had to put static values for the MLS tanks, which you can see there, color coded in red, green, and orange. We'll walk through those in just a bit. And then right on the far left, that's the date. Still saying Wednesday. It's weird. And then the name of the plant. So Warren Park is a small town in Harare where I grew up. And it does have the wastewater treatment. They treat doo-doo there, right? And then on the far left, far right, this is where if you want to play back data from a certain date, then you just click on the calendar, pick your date. Unfortunately, there is no date. Then you click on start, and then it will fill in all those values here on these graphs, and also color code the tanks there in the background, which we shall go to see. So the green means the tanks are fine, red means something's wrong, and M is warning. Right, so the same here with prediction. So the prediction piece is linked up to Azure ML. Unfortunately, as you know, tech refuses to work sometimes. So for some reason today, the calendar is refusing to click. But anyways, you pick a date, then say predict, then it's going to predict what the values are going to be for the plant, and then fill in those values here on the graphs. And also do the same with the color coding of the tanks. So go into the model, go through the main gate. Right, so water treatment plant. Let's go a bit to the left. There's like a pathway, you have trees and stuff. All this is custom models that we can break up and build any setup of site that we want. And then so the stuff that you have in your plant. So let's go to one of these tanks. So basically these are holding tanks for the doo-doo that's coming from people's houses. Yeah, so we have a tank farm here, 4 tanks. And then so I wanted to put in actually an arrow that shows you how doo-doo flows in from your house into the plant and gets treated. So these are our what are they called again? I forget. So basically this is where the solid waste is taken out, and then it's 2 pools. I still have to do the animation for those. And then these are also holding tanks that we have in the plant, right? And so small thing that I just want to show you is here. So we can have individual graphs for like a piece of equipment in the plant. Oh, like here, we are saying that this is the Mitsubishi electric motor, and then you can see the wattage, and then you can see the torque, and you can see the amps that it's drawing. So yeah, basically this is what our plant has, and this is what we have so far. So yeah, and you might be wondering why you're using a phone. I don't have a headset, VR or AR headset. Someone buy for me, please. Get me a headset, then I can interact with all the stuff using my actual hands. But yeah, so cool.